GOVEE Curtain Lights Pro. This one has 960 LEDs, is RGBIC, has over 250 C modes, app control. This thing is going to be awesome. Look at all the different curtains display that you can have. And you can even use your own designs. Pretty awesome. So unbox it right now. This is it right here. We got the open here. So let's open this up and see what we get inside the box of the GOVEE Curtain Light Pros. Here we go. Ooh, that looks nice. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. We have the matter guide. We got the user manual. We have the quick start guide right here for the pros. These are the pros. So you got a couple of boxes. Let's see what's in this box here. Let me see. Ooh, okay. Hang on. So this is this box right here. Open up this and we see inside here we have the GOVEE curtain lights. This is it right here. And then if you pull up here, there's the rest of it underneath. Here we go. Oh, there we go. That's why I couldn't pull it out, because that's the rest of the curtains. And you have the control module as well as the connection that goes to your power adapter. So there is two control modules, one for this side of the curtain and one for this side of the curtains, okay? And then you can extend this. No, this part right here connects to your power adapter. So this is your GOVEE curtain lights. Boom, right there. And it's more dense than the previous version. And then here you have some accessories in this box. So in this box, what do we get here? So in this box, you have the brackets that will mount to your garage door or your walls. And then these will stick onto the brackets. This is your control switch that will connect to this over here. And then you ultimately should have a power cord too. So here are some screws and wall anchors. And this looks like the power cord over here. Yep, this is the power cord. And of course, it plugs into your standard outlet, 2-prong. Nice. So this one will then connect over to this one, like so. So that's how you have the power coming on to the GOVEE Curtain Lights Pro. And then from here, this one connects to the curtain lights over here. And it's designed in a way where you cannot get it wrong, because it is keyed with the little groove right there. So you slide it in just like this. And once you slide it in all the way, there's a little seal that keeps it weather resistant. And then you tighten this down like that. And then you should be able to power on your GOVEE Curtain Lights Pro just like that. And then what else we have in the box? So down here, we have the upgraded tracks. So these are more modern, and they're designed so that these tracks will then stick to your walls, or you can use screws to attach them, and then you can hang the GOVEE curtain lights directly from these instead of using these brackets. So this is a little bit more of a cleaner install because you can cover it up, and you see you have multiple segments, so you can install them in segments. And then last but not least, at the bottom, you have this piece down here that will allow you to connect all the curtain lights together at the bottom, just hooking them up that way. So that's the unboxing of the GOVEE Curtain Lights Pro. We have one set right here, and you can connect up to 3 of them together for some crazy effect. But there we go, the unboxing of the GOVEE Curtain Lights Pro. Oh yeah.